What's up? I'm gonna show you how to play Love Hurts on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. So to play this, you're gonna put your pointer finger on the second fret of the A string and your ring and your pinky on the third frets of the D and the G string. And the rhythm you're gonna play is so that slower is and then you're gonna move your middle finger to the second fret E string, your pointer finger first fret A string, pinky third fret D string. And that rhythm's gonna go. And those are the two parts you're gonna need. So once again, it's just, so pointer on the second fret A string, ring and pinky on the third frets of the D and G string, and the rhythm, rest, rest. Slower. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.